and got coffees and burritos for breakfast. We've made it a tradition for the past 2 times Andy's had games, and we've stopped and got burritos before each game.
We lost all 4 games.
And they lost all 4 games, so hopefully tonight and tomorrow night go better, but those were both road trip games to Jackson Hole and to Sun Valley, so hopefully this is different this time. But we got 2 sausage burritos and 1 bacon. It's just bacon, potatoes, cheese, and eggs. And it's so good. Anyways, Andy has a game tonight. It's their first home game for the Singers. Also have a photo shoot for 112s at 2. We're deciding the location for that. We have one location picked out, but it's kind of up in the mountain, so that might not work because it's been snowing a lot. But yeah, happy 2025. Happy New Year. Hope everyone had a wonderful holiday season. Ooh, yummy. Salsa and sour cream on the side.
I can't tell whether sausage.
Well, they're both the same.
No, one has.
Oh, that says without sour cream. That's probably with it because this
with.
is the same as mine. Where's Grandpa?
Yeah, I've seen the beef.
Look at that. Packing up, ready to go to the shoot. I made 2 things of hot chocolate. We don't have an actual thermos. This is like the closest we're gonna get, but it doesn't have a cover, so hopefully it stays hot. I have a few extra cups in here. A makeup bag full of like a brush, some blush, some bronzer, concealer, just in case I need any touch-ups. I'll show you the hats that we will be dropping because I have some time. In our latest collection, we had a brown horseshoe hat, and now we're releasing a green one because it was like one of the most popular and it sold out pretty quick. So green is also a bestseller of ours, and people were requesting, you guys were asking for green horseshoe, and we were already making it, so I'm excited about this one. I feel like it'll go pretty quick. And then the second one that's dropping with it is this chocolate brown corduroy with 112 stitched in just the white stitching. We released 4 corduroy hats last winter. They were red, green, ivory, and like a teddy color. So we decided to bring back a corduroy, just one. Go cute together, the green and the brown. And then I'm also wearing a new hat. This is our new winter white camo, and it's not going to be released the same day as these ones because it's taking a little bit longer to be made, but we're going to shoot it today just because it makes the most sense. And I love this. It's so pretty. It's like so different from our green camo, which I also have. It's like our classic camo. This will be restocking with these 2 other hats because this has been sold out for a while. So this will be restocking on the same date. So we're going to shoot some pictures in that one too. And then this white camo will be coming at a later date with more hat restocks. So we're going to go shoot soon. One of our models just pulled up, so we will talk to you guys.
I can also just shoot like some B-roll stuff for real, and then we can throw it real together too.
Back at Play It Again Sports for like the 15th time in this month to get Andy's skate sharpened.
What?
For his game tonight.
Okay. We've been here like 3 times. Like
Look at these beauty.
once every other week.
Beauty skates.
These are beat. I gotta get some new ones.
It's freezing out. It's like 35 degrees and I'm so cold. Can you open the car? Stop! Let me in. We had our shoot. It went okay. We didn't really shoot much because it's kind of, the weather's not very good. It's really overcast and like dreary out, so the lighting was not great. We don't think, but we'll see. We'll see how they turn out. But from what it seemed like, the lighting was just not it. So we're gonna reschedule our shoot till to next week, like Tuesday or something. We need to leave for your game.
Are you coming with me?
No.
So what time am I gonna leave?
I said, what time do you need to leave for your game?
What time do we need to leave?
I said, what time do you need to leave? We'll be able to see.
You can come with me if you want. You don't have to sit around for a while.
No, I can just sit in the house.
Oh no, a bus is coming.
My parents are gonna come pick me up.
Like, I don't know, 7.
For the away games, I got there when you started warming up, but I don't need to do that here, right? Like, it's a home game. I don't need to be there when you're starting to warm up. The only reason I came to the rink then is because I didn't have anything else to do when I was by myself.
Just depends on, I mean, I don't know how, you probably won't be able to get a seat if you don't get there during warm-ups, but.
I don't really like sitting.
There you go. Yeah, you're fine.
I'm gonna wash my face and redo my makeup, even though I might wear a beanie, I'm not really sure. But I've had this makeup on since like 9 a.m. and I feel like washing it off. I want to put some new moisturizer on my face because it's so dry right now because of the winter. I swear Moose and Buck always know when we're gonna leave the house. Andy just left and I'm about to leave in like 20 minutes. So they can sense it, I know it. We left them earlier today for the photo shoot, which we never leave them. Usually they come to work with us every single day, or they do come to work with us every single day. So the only times that they're really by themselves at all is maybe on the weekends if we do something, but usually they're with us like 24/7. So when we leave them, they're not very happy. And if they're not with me and Andy, they're with my parents, so. Isn't that right? You are loved. But anyways, I'm gonna wash my face, do my makeup, and then my brother's gonna come pick me up and we're gonna meet my parents at the gate. I use my Summer Fridays oil-free cream every single time I put anything on my face. Okay. I just had to run out of the car to get this because I packed it for the photo shoot and I forgot. And I missed a step coming up the stairs. And I literally ate shit up the stairs and like bent back my big toenail. Ooh, then hit my shin, of course. That's a reminder to slow down and stop moving so fast, because if I would have just walked up the stairs, that wouldn't have happened, but no. I had to run up the stairs, and that's my karma. Using my closest concealer. Another product I've been using forever. Probably the same amount of time I've been using the Summer Fridays moisturizer, to the point where I don't remember what products I used before I had these. This Merit bronzer when we were in Arizona last, and I like it. I've like gone back and forth between different cream bronzers, but I like this one. I got the shade Leo, and it definitely serves its purpose and does its job. It's very natural, which I love, and subtle. I think I'm gonna wear a beanie, so I'm not really even sure why I'm putting makeup on my forehead. Next, I put my Ilia skin tint on. Another product I've been using, I feel like I have a hair on my face. Another product I've been using forever. Oh, got it. This stuff is like my favorite. I will never not use this. I love it. It's like, it leaves my freckles showing, but it also makes my skin look really nice. Got a few new Milk blushes. I love Milk makeup and their blush. I just think it's so pretty and it blends so seamlessly. And they have a really wide range of colors. See how easy that went on? Just blends really nicely. And I feel like you can never have enough blush. There's so many colors. I've been really into like a deep plum color lately. Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Oh my gosh.
Say-
Okay.
Say hi.
Hello, vlog.
Vlog.
Hello, Lily's vlog. Did it just happen today?
He's a hockey game tonight, so I'm getting ready. I mean,
Are you
I thought you
serious?
got.
Wait, I mean, we would have told you if that actually happened.
We ended up losing the game last night, sadly. It was tied 2-2. Was it 3-2 the score?
Yeah.
Scored with like 4 minutes left in the third period. Such a bummer. We played so well and it was like a really close game all around, so those ones hurt a little bit. Anyways, we have another game today at 5 p.m. in Big Sky, so we're getting ready to leave for that. It was just snowing a bunch this morning and luckily it stopped. So hopefully we're okay. The drive to Big Sky from here is a little bit scary. We're also trying to decide if we should stay the night or if we should come back, but we wouldn't be coming back until like 8 or 9 p.m., which is also a little bit scary, especially in the dark with the icy roads along the river. So trying to decide what to do, but Andy's making some breakfast quick and then we're gonna drop the dogs off at my parents' house for the afternoon and maybe night, and then make our way over to Big Sky. The olive oil in?
Yeah, in the pan. So it's just like,
Yeah, I think some people use olive oil, some people
I used
use
to always
oil.
use olive oil. And then I started using butter because you told me to.
Excuse me, sir, you can't have my milk and my coffee. I know you really want it. Boop.
Not great.
Could do better next time?
Yeah. Just need to be
That's what to talk about.
faster.
What could you improve on next time?
We didn't win?
What?
Because we didn't win?
Yeah. We stayed the night in Big Sky last night at our friend's house. Thankfully, it was very nice of them to let us stay. Andy hasn't even showered since the game.
Showers at the rink.
They had to get ready in like a trailer, pretty much.
Sweat that much because it was so cold out.
Anyways, Moose and Buckley stayed at my parents' house, so we're going to pick them up right now. It is indeed snowing. It's been snowing for like a week straight. Big Sky had a lot of snow. And the roads were like not great coming home, but we made it. His snow driving practice in, so thankful for you.
Get my snow legs. My snow road wings.
They've just been sleeping the whole time we've been home. Menu for tonight is pasta. You make cacio e pepe or penne alla vodka.
How are we gonna make penne alla vodka?
Well, we have red sauce, don't we?
No.
We don't have red sauce. Dang it. Okay, so I guess cacio e pepe it is.
Impression we were doing cheese sauce.
Okay, yeah.
Because I literally looked at the vodka sauce and the red sauce in the store, and I'm like, well, she wants to do.
No, that sounds kind of good, but I thought maybe we had red
Do we have any
sauce.
canned tomato?
No.
This is extra fun.
I don't know. What is it?
This is the ultimate flex. A little bit of mean cheese in the baguette. What do you call it? Aged provolone? Dark provolone? What, fired it on for like 3 days? It's 71 degrees already.
I put it on 3. You can put it on 0.
The fan?
Yeah, because I was freezing.
What are we gonna give them with their food?
Ground beef, no?
It's frozen.
Unfrozen it.
Unfrozen?
Do they even have enough food for breakfast?
Yeah. Good plenty. Here we go.
Noir?
Is this a Pinot Noir?
I don't know, I
I think
can't.
it's a red blend from Italy.
Yum. We're having a true authentic Italian dinner, Andy. Except for the baguette. That's definitely made, it's made down the road.
Policella region in Italy. Watch the tears. See, that's how you know it's not too much sugar, not too much alcohol. You don't see it sticking too much to the sides.
Really?
Yeah, I learned that, you know.
From where?
Oh yeah, that's good.
It's down very smooth.
Jump in the dishwasher. Work on a quick roux. Thank you, chef.
Okay, this salad is so insane. We've been eating it since Christmas Eve. We made it. It's a honey goat cheese. This is game changer. Vermont Creamery Clover Blossom honey goat cheese. It's literally the best thing we've ever had. And then it's greens, like arugula spinach mix, almonds, like shaved almonds, and then cranberries. We put some cucumbers in this time. You can also put in some like tomatoes, but that's basically it. And then a classic Italian dressing. And it's so good. The perfect blend of like sweet and savory salad. 10 out of 10.
Wow.
Right? It's just like the perfect salad ever.
Yeah, it's insane. So, chef, we have some homemade lemon parmesan creamy pasta.
Yum.
Holy.
Homemade cacio e pepe.